Hi everyone, welcome to Zenova. In this video, we're going to take a look at Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, and we're using the Zenova free app that you can download from Google or Apple. We're also using the new release of an OpenAI model, and that model is GPT 4.0. So let's begin. It's going to be about 9 or 10 prompts here, and we're going to start with this initial prompt. This information that comes back from that initial prompt is going to be all the AI machine learning data that Zenova generates. So it'll be this prompt and the information that comes back from prompt number 2. I'm going to scroll down and you can take a look at the answers. You get 10 prompts that were created for you. Click on any of those prompts. You can also use any of these internet searches by clicking on them and get quite a bit of information from each one. Next prompt. This is the analysis that GPT 4.0 is giving from the initial first prompt. Next prompt. This is going to be using over 200 AI machine learning outputs that Zenova generates using machine learning models such as neural network, deep learning, XGBoost, random forest ensemble, Vader, Birch, and more. Next prompt. This is now looking at more mainstream analytics such as performance, risk, fundamentals, and financials for AMD. You can see how easy this makes it for you to not have to go through tons of data or just trying to find different metrics that have been calculated on the internet, if there are any. But just the speed of being able to get this data right away, and having it analyzed is incredible. Next prompt. Now taking the combination of the output from question 2, which gave you AI machine learning output, and question 3, which gave you the financial and statistical output, combining both, giving you an overall analysis. Next prompt. Next prompt. And these are all the suggested prompts that were created for you. There are 10 of them again up above where we originally started the video. And it's just simply clicking on those prompts. Next prompt. Next prompt. Next prompt. And that is it for the prompts. You do have this analytics grid here that you can get over 200 different machine learning outputs. As you scroll across, you'll see them all, and there are graphs at the end of this grid. And you also have tear sheets where you can get a lot of information, statistical and financial information. And here you can see close to 200 charts. But of course, the AI machine learning models will interpret all charts, technical indicators for you, and let you know whether they rank high, medium, or low. And here's the prompt window down here. Any questions, please let us know here at Zoonova, and we're happy to help. Thank you.